Hello everyone, I have a problem for you today. Determine the volume of surface of revolution using any method. We're given the function y is equal to negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. I drew a graph. Basically, it's a quadratic with two roots, 2 and 4. I'll fill it in right here. Right there, it's just that arc. And we're rotating about the y-axis, so if you imagine doing that transformation, it would look kind of like a donut. So because it would look like a donut, the most appropriate method to use here is washer method. We have ring method, and then we have spherical shells. I think the most appropriate one for this one would be the ring method because you're going to need two radii. The first root and one from the second root. The first thing we need to find to solve this problem is what are the intercepts. So we already said that this is going to be ring method or washer method. So we know we'll use washer. And then to find the intercepts, set it equal to 0, negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. Divide by a negative, and you get x squared minus 6x plus 8. And then you can factor this down into x minus 4 and x minus 2. And then that means, so we know our roots now. So x is going to be equal to 4, and x is equal to 2. Okay, the formula for the washer method, in case you haven't seen it before, or you don't remember, is integral from a to b, and then you have 2 pi with x, or we can call that r, and then the height, which is the function, so h, and then we integrate with respect to whatever is the radius. In this case, it's going to be x. So I'm going to zoom out. So we need to know what, okay, so we have 2 pi integral, and we're going to go from 2 to 4, because that's where, if you rotate this around the y, that the value that we're trying to integrate is always going to be that. So r, which we're integrating with respect to x, because if you draw the radius, it lies parallel with the x-axis. And then, so we can put, then we need the height, and the height is whatever value we get for the y from this function, so negative x squared plus 6x minus 8 dx. So 2 pi integral 2 to 4, and then inside here we have negative x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8x dx. Alright, so integrating this is pretty straightforward. It's just a bunch of power rules. So you're going to have negative x to the 4th. Actually, we don't need the integrand since we already expanded it. So we're going to have 2 pi integral. Should we put that in the beginning? Negative x to the 4th over 4 plus 2x cubed minus 4x squared. And then we're integrating from 4 to 2. So 2 pi and then 4 squared, 256 over 4, that's going to give us negative 64. And then 2 times 4 cubed will be 128. And then 4 squared times negative 4 is going to be, so you get negative 64 again. And then we're subtracting 2 to the 4th, which is just 16, so negative 4. And then 2 times 2 cubed, 16. And then the last one is 2 squared times 4 is negative 16. So after you do all that, where did my work go? Let me go back to my work. All right. When you do all that and simplify, you get 8 pi cubed. Let me double check this. When you do this, you come out to a total of 8 pi units cubed. We are given units, so we'll omit them. This is the volume. That's all I have for you guys. Have a good day.